Yeah, he got it. He got it. Oh, there he goes. There you go. Go get it, brother. Isaiah, go get it. Take it back to him. Put it in his hand. Oh, he's going to throw it again. Say, give me the ball.
Give me the ball.
Get the ball.
Come here. Come here.
Here it comes. He's going to go. He's going to get it.
Come here.
Throw the ball.
Throw the ball. Yeah, that's his birthday.
Oh. Yay!
Mom,
Well, he threw it the wrong way, but he's trying. No, put it in his hand. Put it in his hand. I'm videotaping you, Isaiah. Don't put it on your foot. He wants his ball. He wants his ball. Don't do it with your foot. Your foot's dirty, honey. Smell skin. Please put that in your hand. I just got